If you ever bought a 360 camera and at first you were really excited, but then you had no idea what you were going to shoot, how you're going to shoot it, and how you're going to edit it, then you're not alone. That's why I built 360 Made Simple. It's a course designed to get you up and running as fast as possible. And there are lots of early quick wins, so you can start shooting confidently even within the first few lessons. And I've also built something brand new that I've included free with this course, and that's a personal AI camera assistant that can help you while you shoot. And I'll show you more about that in a second. This course focuses on the Insta360 X5 and the Insta360 X4, but all the principles can be applied to any 360 camera. And it's for those of you that want to stop guessing and stop struggling with your 360 cameras, and you want to start making creative, professional looking content that you're proud to show people and people will want to watch. It's perfect for beginners, but it's also good for intermediate shooters who want to level up their skills, build consistency, or even shoot professionally. We start with the basics, the camera settings, the shooting modes, beginner mistakes, how to shoot, how to reframe, and how to edit. We then develop your skills and we talk about manual control of your camera, the mounts, better audio, and creative ideas. And finally, I give you a 6-step shooting system that allows you to shoot anywhere in any location for any scenario. And this is based on shooting thousands of hours of 360 footage and more than 25 years of working in TV as a camera crane operator. And we also have the 360 Reality Lab. And this is where we go behind the scenes and you actually get to look at how I shoot and how I think on location. It looks at real footage, real conditions, and how I make decisions on the spot. And you're not left alone either. You get free access to a private Facebook group where you can connect with me and other 360 creators. And you also get downloadable shot reference cards that you can store on your phone for shot inspiration, and free downloadable guides and ebooks. Now here's something I'm really excited about that I've included free with the course, and that is my 360 Mind. And this is a personal AI 360 camera assistant. It's trained on everything I teach in the 360 Made Simple course. So while you're out on location, you can ask it for shot ideas, you can ask it for the best settings, you can even describe your location to it and it will give you shot inspiration for your given location. It's like having my mind in your pocket while you're out filming. To celebrate the relaunch of 360 Made Simple, I've got 40% off for the next 7 days. And you get my 360 Mind completely free. So click the link down below to join and you'll have instant access to the complete course, to my 360 Mind, and also the private Facebook group. And I look forward to meeting you over there.